children. Good morning to everyone. I hope you're all doing good and staying safe at home. Have you all bought your books and notes from the school? I hope you would have bought all the books and note. That's good. Today we are going to learn science subject. That is lesson number 4. For the past 2 weeks we are learning lesson number 4. What is the topic of the lesson number 4? What plants give us. So let us have a recap of that lesson, what and all we learned in the past 2 weeks. Then we will move on to the today's session. Then only you will remember. Okay. Now you remember, by looking at this picture, you would have recollected all the things you would have learned in the last 2 videos. What plants give us, that was the topic. The topic is what plants give us, and we have learned that plants give us most of the food we eat. That is what we learned. The target, the main point of that lesson is we eat most of the things from the plant. So plants give us most of the food we eat. So the first thing we have seen, rice, wheat, that is cereals, comes under cereals, and pulses. So rice, wheat, that comes under cereals, and pulses, that you have learned about chickpea, red beans, kidney beans, tur dal, moong dal. We have learned all those things. Then we have learned one more thing. What is it? This is spices and nuts. Yes, spices. What are spices? Cardamom, star anise, clove, and pepper. All these you know. And then nuts, pista, almond, and walnut. All these things we are getting from the plants. Spices and nuts we are getting from the plants. Next, oil, cooking oil. Cooking oil also we get from the plants, not directly from the plants, but from the seeds, nuts, and from the fruits. For example, each one I have pictured for you. Mustard seeds and sesame seeds and sunflower seeds, we are getting oil. Then for nut, coconut oil. Then for fruit, olive fruit. We are getting olive oil from the olive fruit. And I told you to check one project work. Have you all checked? Take some seeds from your kitchen and put it on a paper and then crush it and see. If you crush it and see, you can see some oil stains on the paper. Have you all checked? If you have checked, means I am very happy about it. Okay, so we are getting oil also from the plants. Next, last week we have learnt about the fruits and vegetables. So under fruits and vegetables we have seen root vegetables and all, and then leaves and flowers. Leaves we have seen coriander leaves and spinach, all these green leaves, and then cabbage also comes under leaves. Then flower, cauliflower and broccoli and all we have seen. So we are eating leaves, we are eating flowers, we are eating vegetables, we are eating fruits. All these we are getting from the plants. Next, look at this picture. What do you remember by looking at this picture? We have learned that this is the root vegetable and this is the fruit of the vegetable. This is the root vegetable, that is sweet potato. Sweet potato we are getting from the root. So it is grown under the ground. And this is capsicum, is the fruit of a plant, but we are eating as a vegetable. This is what we have learned in the last session. Okay, now we'll move on to the today's session. Plants give us drinks. By looking at the topic itself, you would have come to know that we are drinking something. What? That also we are getting from the plants. You all know that we are drinking fruit juices. That fruits also we are getting from the plants. But other than that, what else we learn? We'll see. Next, look at this. This is sugar cane juice. We have learned that we are getting sugar from this sugar cane plant. And also we must know that we are drinking sugar cane juice. I hope you would have tasted this sugar cane juice when you come to school, when you have been to school last year. Yes, sugarcane juice. We are getting this juice from the sugarcane plant. And then next, fruit juices. We are getting all fruit juices from the fruits. That fruits are coming from the plants and trees. Okay, all these fruit juices we are getting from the plants. Next, tea, coffee, and cocoa. Do you all know what it is? Some of you would have a habit of drinking coffee, tea in your home. And you must know from where we are getting tea powder, coffee powder, and cocoa powder. Okay, let us learn. Look at this picture. Leaves and buds of tea plants. Look at this picture. This is the tea leaves. Okay, from these tea leaves only we are getting tea powder. Do you know how it is made? Let's see. These leaves are dried and then it made into the powder and then we are taking it. Okay. Next, look at this picture. This is the process of how we are getting the tea powder in our hand. Okay. Look at this. The first one, grown in the shade. That is, the tea leaves are grown in the shade and then it is selectively hand picked. It is picked from the plant manually and then it is steamed. Then it is air dried. Then it is powdered and then it comes to our hand. This is how we are getting tea powder. Okay, children. Next, look at this. Coffee is made from coffee beans. Have you ever seen this coffee beans? No. Okay. Coffee is made from coffee beans. This is the coffee bean tree. Look at this. It's very colorful. Looking pretty, right? These are coffee beans. These coffee beans picked out and then it is roasted and then grinded. Then only it comes to our hand as a coffee powder. You would have seen some of the advertisements. Brew, Sunrise, Nescafe, all these are coffee powders. And what about the tea powders? Taj Mahal, AVT, Three Roses. You would have seen all these advertisements in your television. So, that's all about coffee beans and coffee powder. Next, this is cocoa plant. Cocoa is made from seeds of cocoa plants. This is the cocoa plant and the orange reddish colored seeds are you all looking at this picture? Yes, this is seeds of cocoa plant and these seeds are then roasted. Then I will show you some pictures also. Okay, look at this. This is how these seeds are roasted. Roasted means we put it in a pan without oil, empty pan, and we roast. Okay, and in hot pan. Then it is grinded like this, and then it make into a powder like this is cocoa powder. You know what is cocoa powder? I know you all love to eat chocolate and chocolate cake, right? Yes, this is the main ingredient they add into chocolate. So cocoa powder only is used to prepare chocolate cake and chocolates. Okay, this cocoa powder is mixed with milk and sugar to make chocolate. Are you looking at the picture? Yes, this cocoa powder only mixed with milk and sugar to make into a chocolate. Okay, we all eat so many things but we don't know how we are getting it, right? Now you would have come to know many of the things how we are getting, right? tea powder, coffee powder, and cocoa powder, and vegetables, fruits, leaves, flowers. You have learned so many things from this lesson, right? Yes, next. One more thing, it's a new thing. Plants give us clothes. Clothes, what? We wear. The dress we wear. We are getting from the plants. It is very amazing, right? Good. We are going to learn how we are getting the cloths from the plants. Look at this. This is the cotton plant. Okay. Seeds of cotton plants have fluffy hair growing out of them. Fluffy hair. So it has some flower. It will be looking like this. Look at this. This is the flower. Okay, flower of the cotton plant. This is seeds. Okay, the seed will burst and will give you a fluffy hair. It will be looking like this. So this cotton only used to make cloths. How it has been used directly? This cotton is picked out from that seed. Then it has been weaved like this. Okay, it is weaved and make into as a thread. Then this thread is used to make cloths. Like this only we are getting cotton cloths. Understood, children? Yes, we are getting cloths from the plants. Cotton cloths, especially cotton plant. Okay. Next, plants give us wood. Look at this picture. What is this? We all know that we are getting wood from the trees. This is called a log. L-O-G, log. Log means wood pieces, big pieces. That is called a log, wood pieces. Uh, can you name some of the uses? How these woods are used for us? Our daily uses or anything? Any uses of wood? Yes, yes, we see. What is this? This is a wooden cot. We put a mattress or bed over this and then we'll sleep on that, right? Yes, wood is used to prepare furnitures. Your dining table, wooden dining table, wooden sofa, wooden cot, wooden wardrobe, wooden cupboards. So all these we prepare from the wood. And we also build houses out of wood. We use wood pieces to build a house like this. It looks so beautiful, right? This house. Yes. Next. Wood is also used to cook food. How? These woods are burned. Okay, burned to get a fire. Then we are cooking food out of that fire. By looking at this picture itself, you would have come to know how these woods are used to get a fire. Look at this picture. It is more visible. It is more visible for you to learn how the woods are burned to prepare food. Okay, then we have one more use also. We make a boat out of this wood. So the wood also we are getting from the trees, plants. So this is how plants are useful for us in many ways. They give us food. They give us many useful things we prepare, we make into. So today we have learned, what and all we have learned? Plants give us drinks, plants give us cloths, plants give us wood. So many things, three things we have learned today. And in the past classes also we have learned so many things. We have revised almost all the things. And then we have learned three topics today. And we have some more to learn from this lesson. So rest of the thing we will learn in the next session. Have you all understood whatever I taught you now? I hope you would have understood what and all I have taught you now. Okay. Thank you, children. We will meet in the next session. Thank you.